So for register, I do have this form, and let's see if login and register do have the same forms. No, I just modified this one a bit, and I modified it with IDs user and pass, and I have this value. So actually, I will just add these. ID is user and the ID is pass, and of course I need the login, not login, register button. Yeah, it's here. I don't need the register link anymore, and I need this script. Yeah, here it is. Okay, and I need this script. I mean, it's something that I will copy. Yeah, like this. Okay, good. Here, but I will not use it as it is. First, I don't need this jQuery. Okay, I will leave this jQuery is ready just to see if it works. And I will still have this button on click, but on this button I should register. I'm still preventing default behavior of sending that form, and I will send this form manually. And I'm collecting this user and password here, and the data is still that user and password data, but now I don't log in, I'm registering. And let's see, in our in Postman, the register is different than login, and you see the only difference is in this part. It's register here, right? And it's login here. So actually the payload is the same, the username and password. So what we will change here is just the register part of the URL. We will post this, the same data, and expect this back. And let's see. For the time being, let's comment this out. So let's see what register user returns. So I will change this number just to register some other user with the same password. And obviously the status code is this, and is success is this. So is success, we can still check the is success. So I will uncomment this, and if data is success equals true, so if we do have a success, then we can just redirect location to where. So if default, if register succeeds, default is to go to the login page. So we just say window location is login HTML. And in case of failure, if success is false, I am saying register failed, please try again. So let's see how will this work. So for the registration, let's try to register the same guy using same password. And this will hopefully fail because this is already registered. Register? Yeah, great. It works good. And if I change this to some other identifier, nice, jQuery is ready. And it's actually routed to the login. And this is it. So the registration went okay. And well, it's kind of not nice because I'm not sure if registration went okay. So I might use the alert before I redirect the user, like registration successful. Okay. That's ugly. Okay, so let's try it again. Register. So it's no. I will use some email. Let's use 89 and password 123 again. And is it 123? Sorry. Yeah, it's 123. Register. Registration successful. And then I'm moved here. Okay. And then I can log in. Yeah, this is the old user. And it works. And if I click secured page, yeah, this content is secured and I can see it. And if for unsecured page, here it is. And we do have application with this user and token, and we log out, secured page, return us to the login. We can log in, we can register also. So if we log in and go to the secured page, on the secured page, we actually want to see this secure data. How would we do that?